that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion.
I'm on the top, Burj Khalifa, and you can feel the highest. It's definitely worth of money, guys. I'm in the highest in the room.
Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion.
I tried this like gift here in price, and I don't know what is that. Not bad. And a cup of coffee. I don't like coffee at all, but never mind. I would like to love it.
Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like it never again with you.
I'm just sitting here and relaxing, enjoying this view, guys.
You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way.
No, that's not all. Huh? Drone.
Where you submit your drone?
What?
You submit here?
Yeah, like this little drone. Okay. What?
You give me a tag of 08.
No, 8.
08. This one is yours?
This is not mine.
This is yours?
No, it's not. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, sir. It's okay. Fortunately, I got my drone back, guys. Whew. I can't believe that, guys. I'm here. Like, I bought a ticket to Burj Khalifa. It's a little more expensive, but it's include this water aquarium. So I think it's worth of money. In this tunnel, I always wanted to make a photo because I've seen it on Instagram like years ago and many years ago, but it's like bucket list. Dreams comes true, and now I'm going to second floor to continue my aquarium journey. This is so cool, guys. In 50 minutes starting first show, fontaine show, so I'm going there. Alright, we need to stay inside these boxes and we are waiting to fontaine. Now I'm going back to apartment. I'm quite tired, but today I did everything what I've planned, so I'm happy, I'm satisfied, And yeah, this is the end of the vlog, and I'm looking forward to the next day. See you tomorrow, guys. Give me a like, subscribe me. Bye.